experts is strongly recommended protocol. Next slide. Potentials of TNK are very well known to you. Longer half-life, rapid action, high fibrin specificity, and resistance to PAI. This is just to show the comparison that TNK is superior because given its bolus at 30 to 50 milligram dose, and its fibrin affinity is very high, fibrin specificity is high, and the plasma half-life is 20 minutes. It does not to be given in infusion. And we see here the antigenic reaction is hardly any, no hypertension, and TB grade flow achievement is almost a success of 63%. Next slide, we see the MINAP registry data, which has also shown TLT in STEMI is the strongest independent predictor of in-hospital survival in UK. Only 20% of US hospitals have angioplasty services known worldwide. Time is critical for STEMI morbidity and mortality in India and the real world, and the time delay of more than 90 minutes may reduce the benefit of primary PCI. We see here, minimized time from chest discomfort to ECG is less than 30 minutes. ECG to drug intervention should be less than 60 minutes. Next slide. We see here the primary PCI in STEMI in our registry data of CSI has shown very clearly that the primary PCI is possible only in 18 to 90% of patients when in time. We have a huge population, and I mentioned to you in the rural areas, semi-rural or semi-urban areas, and urban areas because of overcrowding, it's not possible, especially in the COVID era. TNK in STEMI in elderly patient, we have to give half the dose, it's superior. Next slide, followed by next slide now. And we see the CSI Forum consensus statement published in 2015. Integrated effective national STEMI program was shown that we divide into 4 categories: Hub A, Hub B, C, and Spoke C and Spoke D, depending on the availability of services for 24 hours and the daytime. And the meta-analysis is in favor more of thrombolysis as compared to PCI. And early and improved outcome with thrombolysis is already shown in the huge data which has been published recently. Now ACC, AHA, ESC, CSI, API, and STEMI India in 2020 have shown that primary PCI is equal to or less effective as compared to TLT. No doubt that the gold standard is primary PCI, but TLT golden hour is 60 minutes, and it's readily available. Pre-hospital thrombolysis is better and most practical. Pharmacodynamic approach level of evidence is A, which is equal to primary PCI. Next slide. This is in Delhi. They started Mission Delhi, Delhi Emergency Lives Heart Attack Initiative. It is very successful. I think the data is going to be published very soon, and it was launched by ICMR. 11 faculty members of All India Institute are there, and pharmacodynamic approach with TLT in advanced heart ambulance services is a very, very important methodology which is used here. And this is how they are using it. Next slide. And we see the next slide now. Mission India Attack Heart Attack, a smart heart care app has also been launched. Enhance public awareness on the public and corporate partnership, timely intervention of STEMI. And this was moderated by me by one of the very prestigious sessions in Tata Sky Fam Health. And this has been shown repeatedly in the public interest how to manage and salvage the jeopardized myocardium with the heart, and how public can recognize the symptoms of heart attack. This was a book for the first time published by me and by my colleague from the United States, Dr. Samir Mehta, from India to the world. A huge book on STEMI, discussing every aspect possible for STEMI care in India and the real world. This is CSI position statement. Next, to show for STEMI care in India, proposed triage for STEMI in rural and urban areas, and I think it is very well accepted. As I already mentioned to you, if it's a big city, we can do primary PCI. If the hospital-based thrombolysis is not successful, we can go for rescue, and then we can go for pharmacodynamic approach, especially in the rural or in the small town or crowded areas. Next slide. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, TNK is the most promising therapy in the golden hour. Pre-hospital thrombolysis is the answer in the COVID era. CST with TNK, first 3 hours, has a robust evidence of its safety and efficacy and success, 96%. Pre-hospital thrombolysis is must for every hospital in STEMI protocol. Pharmacology approach in STEMI is the only practical solution which we have to consider if we really want to have the morbidity and mortality benefit in the STEMI patients. Next, what's the take-home message? It's a very important conference in Bathinda. Mepicon, I must give a very important message today. Mr. Chairman, sir, health of millions is at stake with the rising menace of STEMI in India. Early TNK administration in STEMI is the need of the hour. Every state should have heart attack campaign or a STEMI campaign so that we enhance awareness in the public and give a timely intervention in the pharmacology approach. TNK followed by PCI is a recommended protocol, especially in today's era of COVID. Time to reflect TNK potential is now. Pharmacology approach is the only solution for India and the globe due to COVID. We must act locally and impact globally to reduce the morbidity and mortality by a pharmacology approach. Next, TLT versus primary PCR. There is no fight. Solution is TLT and PCR. Pre-hospital thrombolysis and PCR are superior. Next, pioneers of thrombolytic therapy in STEMI in the world is shown here. We see here the people all over the globe, how they were involved. It's almost more than 70 or 80 years. People have worked, and now it is established that thrombolytic works in heart attack, brain attack, leg attack, and lung attack. Thank you very much for your kind attention. If there are any questions, I'll be very happy to answer. Unfortunately, we have a virtual meeting. You can put on the questions on the chat box, and I'm sure Dr. Vital Gupta will be able to send me, and I'll try my best to respond to all your questions. Once again, I express my gratitude and thanks to the chairperson and to all the audience, as well as to Dr. Vital Gupta for giving me this opportunity to be with you. Thank you very much.